Alright, y'all, welcome to this video. You already know who it is. So I'm gonna take you through this little adventure of this painting. You see right now I'm throwing that yellow on there, yellow bellow, mixing it in with some red. This red look a little orange, but you notice if you mix the color red and orange, if you mix the color, oh, see, I'm trying to talk trash and I don't even know what I'm talking about. You mix the color yellow and red and you get orange. Thank you, I'll be here all day. Psych, nah, but here we go. So we adding some skin tone on here. She gonna be caramel this time. Last time I do a dark skin guy. This time I'm gonna draw a lighter female. You know, like I said, I need to test my color skills, play around with some things. So you see, just threw that first layer on there. I'm telling you, when you first start painting, y'all, I give up almost every single time, but you gotta fight through it. The only way you gonna make that painting successful is if you fight through it. All them layers is worth it, I promise you. If you want that color to be pure, one layer ain't gonna do. Promise you. You definitely, when you first start off. Once you get on there, you got quality paints. Like the paints I use is quality. Wizard or Newton, shout out to them. I tell y'all every time. I'm not even gonna shade them. I do use the golden brand too. That's like my only other brand, for real. But that Wizard or Newton, something about it is just so professional. I learned about those in college. They just it. It's the best thing. So as you see, I just did literally basic colors. Lips yellow, glasses orange, hair red. I threw a little bit of neon on her hair. I don't know if you can tell it, the color changed a little bit, but I want to play around with those warm colors. The last painting was very cool, so we're gonna play around with these warm colors. I'm sorry, I have to get my child together, aka Game. You see he in the background of the video. He in the background right now into this recording. Alright, we back, y'all. We back. Professional. Alright, so I'm throwing some black line work on there. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about this part. I was real scared because putting this black against these colors are very light. When you put black against like darker colors, it make it stand out a lot more, or it makes it easier to blend. When you put darker colors like black, pure black, on yellow, on red, on orange, on tan, listen, that's a catastrophe. You better know what you're doing. I knew what I was doing because I'm that, but I'm gonna let y'all know it's scary. Right now it looked like a whole cartoon. Like I almost was getting like comic book vibes. And I was not liking that. I did not want that comic book vibe. But you rework it. You see I threw a little bit more yellow over top of it. Also, you have to let it dry in between. I threw some brown in between that black to like blend it all out, so you can get some more shades. Now, I don't know what it is about these noses that I've been drawing lately, but I drew the nose on the last guy and it was like huge, but I loved it. And the way I painted her nose as well, it's like huge, but I love it. I don't know why, but I might add it to my style. This is definitely about to be something I'm adding to my thing, the way I do these noses. You see I'm reworking that black in there with the brown to get that contrast, get them colors to bounce off of each other. But yeah, see. Also, y'all, this video gonna be a lot longer than the normal one, so I'm gonna try to find something to talk about besides the art, so I don't bore y'all. But yeah, okay, here we go. We throwing some white on there to make it pop out, shorty, yo. Yeah, but anyway, hope y'all having a good day. It's a full moon out there. Full moon always bring great and strange things. If you guys know anything about me, I love space. You could probably even see in my arm right there. I got the planet Jupiter tattooed on me, and Neptune. Also, my zodiac sign was my very first tattoo. But yeah, all into this astrology. Obviously, you can see all my artwork is into space. Like I'm always into space. It's always painting space and stuff like that. I do try to change it up a lot. Like I normally paint black backgrounds, but I've been trying to make more colorful artwork, if that makes sense. Also, I'm trying to figure out different techniques to teach these kids at my school, so that's another thing. But this is like this technique I learned at college. It's called the CF Payne technique or something like that. This professor I went to CCAD, who were taught at CCAD, had this little style pretty much when he now I did mine's completely different, but I'm gonna tell you, because my style is the Derrick style, the Derrick and draw style. But what he did was he would take like watercolor paint and lay it down over top, like a water paint over water. This would be watercolor paper, so he would put watercolor paint over top, literally do the same layer like how I did the yellow and the red, and it would lay down very, very light, and he would draw over top of it and put colored pencil over top of the painting. And when you put colored pencil, it will make it just pop out like that much more. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It would just pop. It would pop out that much more. He also used oil paint. You can use acrylic paint. You can use whatever type of paint you want. But with the colored pencil against it, also has to be very washed out, because if you put it very opaque, then it's gonna be hard for you to see the colors on there. Hence why the background looks very faded and then the front ground looks very opaque. But yeah, pretty much that like technique is just that's something I learned in college. It was really cool. We had to do a project on it. We could have switched it up if we wanted to, but we had to pretty much draw like oil painting, or put oil painting down and put color pencil over top of it. Anyway, that's where I got this style from, in case y'all was wondering. But yeah, that's my little thing. Also, I always do black backgrounds, so I was trying to switch it up a little bit, throw a little bit of color on there. What I'm doing, I'm throwing some red clouds on there, reddish, oranges, you never know, whatever that color is, however you interpret it. Also, shout out to Cardi B. Shout out to Cardi B for this hairstyle. I don't know if y'all seen it on Instagram going viral, but this hairstyle was definitely inspired by her. I threw a little bit of patterns on there because of the last painting. Also the worlds with the black holes getting sucked in that I'm working on. I don't know if you remember from the 90s guy painting, but I put hearts being sucked in by a black hole. This time I put planets being sucked in by a black hole. And then I put the heart complete on her earring. And the heart has hair. Playing around with shape. I don't know if you know, repetition is a big thing in art. So we got 3 hearts, 3 lips, 2 planets, throwing some stars on there, so it's gonna be 4 stars altogether, a moon, and right here we're gonna go to glitter time, glitter. Also, I put all these little blue planets in the background. I don't know if you can notice that, but when it comes to color scheme, I did some great things, because I kept it real warm, literally just using red, yellow, and orange. And then the only other color I used was blue. Sorry, I had to double check the painting. Only other color I use is blue, because blue, yellow, and red are primary colors. So if you ever look at this painting, the reason why the colors look so awesome is because I kept within those color schemes. Like, those are, if you want to make awesome artwork, you have to like keep within those color schemes, understand color, like make sure you understand that. Like that's a big key factor in art. But yeah, here we go, the finale. Ooh, got a little Saturn on there. You see the ears, that glitter the house down boots, y'all. Look at that texture in that hair. Like, literally just freestyle some shapes. Gold star glitter matching the lips, so it's the same glitter. I didn't even switch it up this time. Planet got a little reflection on it, chin, cheek, all that. I put a little glitter everywhere so you can. Clouds got glitter, all that. Shirt, neck, all that. Look at that. I did that, y'all. Well, thank you for watching this video. You know, I really appreciate y'all for sticking around. Have a good day. Peace. See y'all in the next one.